Are you a fan of scrolling through social media and admiring all the cool digital art that's everywhere these days? Well, what if I told you that you could actually make money for creating your AI generated art?
I'm not scared of making money.
That's right, you don't have to be a tech genius or a professional artist to cash in on this exciting new industry. In fact, making money with AI is easier than you might think. All you need is a bit of creativity, some basic tech skills. Well, just kidding. You don't need none of this. Just your willingness to learn and, of course, keep watching this video to find out more. To get started, go to a website called Pond5. Lots of people visit this website every single month, so it's a good website to use. About 3.3 million, it's a lot. When you get there, on Pond5, click on the illustration button. You don't need to type any words in the search box, just leave it empty. Okay, so let's make a change so that we can find popular illustrations and make similar ones. Look at the top right corner of the page and you will see an option that says sort by. Click on that and select popular. Take a look at the image on the page. You will notice that some of them could be easily made with AI. Let's click on the first one and see how much it costs. You see this one, for instance, the small one is 2 euros, the medium 3 euros, the large is 5. So basically we can make a lot of money because most of these pages or better images will be downloaded multiple times. So let's go to the next one so I can show you more examples. You see that this one has like starter price with 3 euros, goes all the way to 6 euros. So we can easily make a lot of money. The next step is to create an account on the website. Go to the top right corner of the page and click join now. You can sign up using your email or Facebook account, whichever you prefer. Once you have signed up, move your mouse over the user icon and you will see a hidden menu. In that menu, you will find an option that says sell your media. This is the area where we're gonna upload our media. Now it's time to create our art. In this video, we're not gonna use any complicated software. We're gonna use Stable Diffusion. It's free, it's easy, very effective. We are going to use the title as our prompt. All we need to do is to copy it and paste and then generate an image. By default, you will get 4 variations. And if you don't like the results, change the prompts and play with it until you get what you like and select the one that you like the most, right click and then save it in your computer. Now to enlarge the image, you're going to use a tool called Photo Enlarger, which is very easy to use as well. And we got to take into consideration the dimensions of the images that we saw before. You see this one, 946 by 633, 1892 by 1266. So we have to play with these sizes. So we're gonna select one first. We're gonna enlarge to this. We're gonna scale to this size, and then we're gonna enlarge the image to this size. We enlarge the image, and we select the one that we like the most. We download the image. You're gonna take your time if you want to see which one is better. Download the image to JPEG or PNG, whatever you like the most. You see, they have different versions here. I prefer this one, enlarge this one. I'm gonna do this for the L size and the XL size as well. I'm gonna do it fast so that you don't get bored with this because it's very simple and very easy to do as well. Just do the same. Alright, now that we have all the 4 sizes, the thing that we have to do now is to upload the images, right, to the website. Sell your media, and then let's get started. But wait a minute, we forgot something. Let's copy the title, all the sizes, descriptions, and everything so that we can remember and play with it a little bit when we're gonna upload our own image to the website. Easy, very, very easy. Let's just copy it on the notepad. We copy the title. Let's copy the sizes, the pricing as well, so that we can remember everything. And let's see what we are missing. Let's see the view image details. Okay, we got the descriptions as well. Let's copy the descriptions. We are not going to use the same description, just to have an idea basically how we're going to play out with our descriptions as well. So copy everything that you need, everything that you want, and I think that that's all for now. All right, now that we have everything that we need, we just need to go back and then tell your media, let's get started. For the first time, you have to fill out all this information, select video, music, sound effects, everything that you need, you're probably gonna need in the future. And then upload your ID that you're gonna get accepted, and easy as that. Now go back, upload. This is the section where we're gonna add our files, images, everything that you want to sell. For these videos, we are going to upload our files or our images that we generated, which is pretty easy. Upload new file, select the image, choose the files, the one that you want, create it better, uploading. Easy as that, guys. This is so simple. Everybody can do this, literally. So we're gonna change everything. As you see, the price is $5, basically generated by the platform. We're gonna change the keywords, we're gonna change the title, we're gonna change the descriptions, we're gonna change basically everything. And don't worry, because all the title, everything, basically from the description to the tags, we're gonna use the ChatGPT to give us some ideas. So get the title, open ChatGPT, easy as that. Ask ChatGPT to give you a description so that we can use the descriptions on our page, so that we're gonna rank better than the guys that are just uploading with very little to simple description. We're gonna make better. Let's make it better. So look to this description, beautiful, very beautiful. Let's copy this beautiful descriptions and then paste it in 0.5, submit, easy as that. Let's change the tags as well. Go back to ChatGPT, get the tags. So simple, easy. Please, you have to follow everything that I'm saying here so that you don't get lost in everything we are doing. Okay, let's separate it with commas because it's way more easier. That's amazing, very, very amazing. Let's copy all the tags, let's copy them all and then paste, and simple as that. Guys, everybody can do this. So you can basically add to collection, add to different places. Basically our account is still pending because we just uploaded our IDs. We are gonna wait for everything and then we're gonna accept ours. We are going to be able to start making some money. So thank you very much for watching, guys. This is basically what I have to say for today, and if you have anything to say, leave in the comment section. I see you in the next one.